Sometimes we do use chemicals or a process. For instance, when you're doing a presumptive blood test, there's a sequence in which you need to use different components. You need to use them in the right order in order to, have the proper chemical reaction for you to determine whether or not something is blood. You follow directions, but it's very important that you follow them specifically. Again, science is all about facts and specifics and details. So if I use a couple drops of the alcohol plus the phenolphthalein that we use, the chemical component, and then hydrogen peroxide, the combination of those things in a specific order will then yield whether or not something tests positive for blood or not. So it depends. It can help you determine what's evidence and what's not, and it can help maybe build a case on what else is actually going on here. But we do use some chemicals. The fingerprint powder that we use too, is specifically designed to adhere to the sweat and the oil that's in your skin that's left behind on surfaces, and that's what helps make what's invisible visible. It's there. It's actually there. It's physically there on the surface. You just need to bring it to light, something that's observable, and then can be collected and analyzed. Because fingerprints, just like your blood, are unique to you. So if I leave that behind, fingerprints are the best because you cannot duplicate that. So I leave that behind. I'm able to bring it out with the chemical powder that we use, collect it, and send it down to the lab for analysis.